So I encourage you, have a genuine love of God. Have genuine passion for the things of God. Jesus Christ loved all people. He loved those who were sick and rejected by. He loved the tax collectors and the lepers. He loved all and wanted no soul to perish. As followers of Jesus Christ, we too must have a burning passion for lost souls and unbelievers. We must have this same love that Christ had. The Bible says in 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 to 8, "Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. Always perseveres."